Welcome to another edition of LVTRV, our Alaska Tour number 8. As we head out of Pack Creek Ranch, head to Prince George, go to a couple of rest stops, and away we go. Pack Creek RV Ranch in Cache Creek, BC. Overall, it's a nice little place. 7 out of 10. Bathhouses were very nice. The property was a great property. We were dry camping in here, but they do also have hookups, and they do actually have a restaurant on site. So that's another good positive. And they also have a little historic area in the back that you can walk around. Our tail gunner RV here is in the back of our pack. They wait till all of us get out of the park to tail gun us and follow us to make sure nothing happens to any of us on our way. They give us a 2-hour window between 8 and 10 today, and you get to leave between 8 and 10 if you choose to, and you head out at your leisure and your convenience. You get out on the road. Today we got on the road about 8:40, I believe it was, and we started heading northbound on Highway 97. It's nice, all the rigs do have decals in the back and the front, so we can identify our group in case something does happen, or we just happen to be behind them. They could advise us of some hazards or animals along the way. This is what we get. Beautiful scenery on this beautiful day heading up Highway 97 in Canada. And we're just enjoying the view. The roads here were very well maintained. As I always said, it's the adventure going to Alaska. Watch out. Anyway, this is mile marker 108. Some restored cabins and small community. It's a rest stop. They also have some touristy stuff here. They had some ice cream. They had a little store, buy little knickknacks, and a nice place just to rest and stretch your legs and check out the old buildings, restored buildings. It's a good little place. You just need a break, and lots of parking for lots of big rigs. We're in southern Caribou County in Canada. Lots of areas to jeep ride, hike, bike, all that good stuff. And this is the Atchoo plant. Everything was blossoming in this time of year. And so, yeah, this is the town of Williams Lake. It's another nice rest area at the visitor center. And see the little eye there with the turn to the right? Did you see that eye to turn to the right? Did you see that eye to turn to the right? Well, I guess I didn't, because there's the visitor center. Anyway, I turned around on the footage road, came back around, of course, entered the wrong way. Had to go all the way around here. Come back around and park our little rig. Thank goodness no one was coming the other way, and thank goodness we were able to make it around all these cars. Remember, we got our tow vehicle in tow also. It's just to swing it wide, and so we had to swing it right to get in here. And lucky no one was coming around. We parked it, and there's other fellow tour people on the stop also. This monument was erected for a Rick Hansen. He was a Canadian paraplegic athlete and activist for people with spinal cord injuries, who became famous during his fundraiser Man in a Motion World Tour. That was his monument to this city, and he was born there in Williams Lakes. That's the visitor center. Good old switchboard. So it's like, how's that work? So the visitor center was rich in cowboy history. Saddle was done in a 60-year-old saddle there by a Mr. R.T. Thomas. That little train station there. It wasn't running, but Pullman car pulling people and seats back there. I guess it's unless they were told it's a train that goes through the town. They did Pony Express rides also through the country and territory. Lots of saddles, lots of horsemanship stuff here. Like the saddle here. There's a sewing machine there. Hey, check that one out. I never found the beautiful floral pattern stamped on his brown leathers. So I'm assuming it's that, maybe. And Royal Canadian Mounties. This is the lake, Williams Lake. The town surrounds the lake. It looks like a beautiful place. In 2017, they had a fire that destroyed the north part of the town. They had to rebuild. These are all the fire agencies that came in to assist the town from all over Canada, of course. And there was one from the U.S. Of course, report your forest fires. Please extinguish your fires. Be good neighbors. Put them fires out. Oh, look, the back pump can. The metal ones. Ooh, remember them old days. And just a lumberyard model, but very informational in the Williams Lake Visitor Center. If you get an opportunity coming up Highway 97 through Canada, make sure you make a stop. Check it out. It's very informative. Lots of pamphlets and information also. And of course, the town has everything you need. Fuel, Subway, McDonald's, good restaurants. And we're heading up the road here. Still heading north to Prince George. This guy hopefully stays in that lane. And we're heading a right turn over here to Prince George. This is the town of Prince George. There's a big RV center to the right. And to the left, we've got a quick glimpse of the RV park right next to the freeway. In this case, highway. Now we're going to get some fuel here. Thought let's top off with fuel. Last fuel we got was back in the States in Blaine, Washington State. We're going to get some fuel here. We traveled almost 480 miles on this tank. This was a Flying J, it says. Wasn't one of the cleanest and nice Flying J's. We get 5 cents off because of our Good Sam discount. But it was... and this, of course, this window washing squeegee was not the best thing ever. We're like an industrial park right off the freeway. Oop, gotta clean that window, so check out the stuff. Anyway, we did fill up with the good old diesel. It's our first fuel stop in Canada. We traveled over 484 miles, 60 gallons of good old diesel at $293 of U.S. currency, $4.89 per gallon, and 8 miles per gallon driving. Of course, we all converted this from the liters to the Canadian money, so this is what it turned out to be. And window looks okay. Okay. Time to get wrapped up and go. We're heading over now back to the RV park. This is Dan, our fearless leader. Him and Nancy are great leads. This is Sintich Trailer and RV Park in Prince George, British Columbia. We got here around 2 o'clock. We're going to spend the night here. To the right there is the bathhouse. It was a very nice bathhouse. And the only bad side effect of this place, look straight ahead. There's cars that zoom by that highway all night long. So that was the only bad side effect of this place. Backed in, of course, there's the highway. Overall, nice level sights. Starlink worked great. And of course, we're in Canada up north. It stays a little more lighter during the evening hours. I took off real quick and tried to get to this railroad museum, but it was closed. It was on River Road. Anyway, it was had a lot of static displays outside, some old and this was Cottonwood Island Park. I didn't see any, but there was supposed to be carvings on the trees that a famous person did. They're supposed to make over 140 carvings. I never saw one, but on these cottonwood trees. So maybe next time I have more time, I could explore. And this is a train bridge over the river. Now my travels, I run into a beautiful fire station. They're called fire halls here in Canada at Prince George. Again, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and comment. We're still enjoying this 52-day fantasy RV tour. Please stay tuned for more fun and adventures. Love, Sal and Trina.